All right, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So if you're anything like me and you're a business owner, you know how tedious it can be to try to find leads for your business, especially using Google Maps. Maybe you figured out this new technology, but you're doing it manually. Well, I got a program to talk to you about from our friends at Lead Sniper called the Google Map Scraper. We're going to dive in and see how awesome this is, so let's go.
All right, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another awesome demonstration clip here of Google Map Scraper in action from our friends at Lead Sniper. So we're searching for marketing agencies in New Jersey on one copy, and then on the other one we got marketing agency short hits. So let's go. And you're just going to hit start. It's going to go real quick for you. Make sure you have Google Chrome open and your Drive so you can just drag and drop from your downloads straight to your Google Drive, so it will convert to a Google Sheet. Sit back, relax. It'll take a few minutes, not going to take long at all. Start that dinner, maybe get that baby changed, whatever you got to do, doesn't matter. What's awesome about this is that it has awesome formats, XLSX, or CSV. And as I said, you could just drag and drop right from the download folder onto the Google Sheet. Now, what's great is you're going to get the contact information that you want. You're going to get the phone number, the physical address, the email address, the website domain, and possibly the owner's name. But this is really going to help you. It's been boosting my business. I've got a lot of high quality leads using Google Map Scraper, the most powerful Google Map Scraper in the world. Now you can get started with a free trial to check it out for yourself, see how awesome it is, and you get 24/7 technical support should you have any questions or inquiries. And we have some enhanced pricing we're going to talk about later on in the video, but you could see 12,000 happy customers, all these great statistics over here. You can watch some testimonials about what they have to say about the products. It's very fast, quick, super easy to use. Anybody can use this program. You're going to save time and money, take control of your data. You can learn how it works here. Very cool stuff, some use cases. And it's going to scrape from over 60 different fields. But what's awesome is that these products can scrape email addresses, which users can then use for their cold email outreach. And all of these tools are going to save you time, eliminate manual searching, and they're also going to help businesses or marketers easily find targeted leads like myself to get their network and reach potential clients more effective. Okay, so it's going to grow your network as well. Very cool stuff, and you can scale with enhanced pricing, and we're going to check out the pricing right now. Have been some changes I'm excited to talk about, so let's do that right now. All right, so here we are on the pricing packages page, premium lead generation, and simple transparent pricing. Now remember, the base price is still $149, and this applies to all the different products here as the base price. Okay, so that has not changed, but there have been some changes that we're going to talk about a little bit here, so give me a minute here. Okay, so basically what's cool is that all these prices are exactly the same. So the base price still $149, like I said, but the more people buy a license key and products, the more discounts you're going to get. For example, let's look at the discounts you get when you buy more license keys here down below. But the cool thing is also is that using the Google Map Scraper, you're going to get unlimited leads from Google Maps with these packages as well. Okay, so let's take a look at the pricing. So 10 licenses, $700 for a total savings of 47%. 20 licenses, $1,728 for a total savings of 58% off. 30 licenses, $2,906. Total savings 65% off. 50 licenses, $5,215. Total savings 70% off. We also have our enhanced team and enterprise features down here as well, or licenses. So the enhanced team license will get you between 5 to 30 users you can have in there, and 35 to 62% enhanced volume discount, priority technical support, custom training sessions, and you can pay with a credit card, PayPal, or crypto. Then you have the enhanced enterprise solutions there, 30 plus users up to 70% enhanced bulk discounts, dedicated account manager, custom workflow setup, and you can pay with a credit card, PayPal, or crypto. Now, should you want to contact for bulk pricing, if you want to buy more, you can do that here, and check out some testimonials here as well. That guy's really cool. And guess what? I've watched it, and yeah, it has upped my game. I think it's a great program. I've been using all three of these products to boost my business. So guys, get it today and rock it.
All right, so as you can see, the Google Map Scraper from Lead Sniper is amazing, generates thousands of quality leads in just minutes with those amazing pricing options, the free trial, and 24/7 support. Click the link down below and get started with the Map Scraper from Lead Sniper today.